Kaizer Chiefs may have an opportunity to try and sign the Bafana Bafana winger before the closing of the transfer window on the 20th of September. Amakhosi have been handed the transfer lifeline in their pursuit of Bafana Bafana and Polokwane City star Oswin Apolis. This comes on the back of an SABC Sport reports that Apolis' proposed deal to MC Alka is on the verge of collapsing. Just few weeks ago, Apolis looked to set to join MC Alka, but as things stand, no deal in place between the Algerian side and City. The reason this proposed deal could collapse is that the Algerian transfer window is closing on Tuesday midnight. Now, Kaizer Chiefs are probably watching the situation with keen interest given that Nazaren Nabi wants a quality winger. With the domestic transfer window closing on 20th of September, Kaizer Chiefs would have enough time to seal the Apolis deal. City are prepared to sell locally at a lower price remains to be seen, but Kaizer Chiefs should be prepared to pay millions of rands. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.